Okay, this is for our ongoing class. We're working on What Are You Doing New Year's Eve, and we're talking about a finger-picking pattern that looks like this. I'm making a G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thumb to floor and almost back up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And we do that twice in a measure. So with that G measure, we would do it, the G chord, we would do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And then an F9, one whole measure. Now 2 beats of a G, G7, C, I'm just doing the pattern once. Doing the pattern once, E9, doing the pattern once. Now I'm doing the pattern twice. And strum down. Are you having fun? Here's our tempo. Find my foot pedal here. All right. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's just too early in the game. Oh, but I thought I'd ask you just the same. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve. Wonder whose arms will hold you good and tight when it's exactly 12 o'clock that night. Oh, welcoming in the New Year's, New Year's Eve. Maybe I'm crazy to suppose I'd ever be the one you chose. Out of 1,000 invitations you received. Oh, but in case I stand one little chance, here comes the jackpot question in advance.